A song so clear, in this place we're peaceful here. Among the flowers blooming in the soft embrace of dawn, the worries of the world dissolve in the light of a new morn. Birds sing sweet melodies, a symphony of grace. In the serene sanctuary, I find my perfect place. Peaceful here, where hearts align. In the stillness, love we find. With every breath, a song so clear. In this place, we're peaceful here. In the calm of twilight's glow, where the stars begin to show, we sit and watch the night unfold in a peace that we both know. Hand in hand we journey far, guided by the evening star. In this moment hearts are near, in this place we're peaceful here. As the sun sets on the horizon, painting skies in hues of gold, we bask in the serene beauty of a love that's gently told. In the whispers of the night, in the silence of the heart, we find a peace so tender, a love that won't depart. Peaceful here, where hearts align. In the stillness, love we find. With every breath, a song so clear. In this place, we're peaceful here. So when the world grows weary and the shadows start to fall, I'll find my way back to this place where I hear your loving call. In the peace of your embrace, in the quiet of your smile,